Today our subject is reinforced cement concrete. It is not only for subject, not only for the purpose of gate, not only for the purpose of gate. It is the life of civil. It is the life of civil. In any company, if they want to analyze you, if they want to judge you, how much knowledge you have, means first question they will ask from RCC only. First question they will ask from RCC only. So just read with interest, that is very important. Just read with interest, that is very important. Then say remaining I will take care. Remaining I will take care. Anyway, our subject reinforced cement concrete. First take down the important topics. Important topics. First one, take down in introduction. That is introduction to RCC. Introduction to RCC. What is the meaning of cement concrete? What is the meaning of cement concrete? What are the materials present in cement concrete? Everything. Everything we will discuss in introduction chapter. In introduction chapter. Second one, singly reinforced beam. Singly reinforced beam by working stress method. By working stress method. Third one, doubly reinforced beam. Again, same method, WSM. Same method, WSM. Next one, fourth chapter is flanged beams. Flanged beams, again by WSM. Flanged beams by WSM. Same in working stress method we will discuss. Next one. Fifth one, now only the entry of a superstar. Now only the entry of superstar. Everything at present day, they are designing all members, that is slab, beam, column, footing, everything based on limit state method. That we will introduce in fifth chapter. Introduction to LSM. Next one, introduction to LSM. Now, same. Again we will discuss same questions, same topics in LSM method. In LSM method, after knowing the meaning of LSM, now we can able to design all the elements like beam, slab, column, footing, everything based on LSM. Based on LSM. Check down. Singly reinforced beam, again LSM. Next one, seventh one, doubly reinforced beam, again by LSM. Eighth one, flanged beam. This chapter, flanged beam consists of T beam and L beam. T beam and L beam. Take down. Next one, ninth chapter, shear torsion bond. Shear torsion and bond. Very important number of objectives you can expect from this chapter. That is ninth chapter. They won't ask you to design beam. They won't ask you to design any column member. Just analysis. What is the permissible stress? One more, two more questions only. So here more chance you can expect. Here more chance you can expect. 10th one, column. Slab. That is design of slab. Footings. We will discuss about it. Footings. What are the types of footing available? Which footing we have to adopt for based on load over the column, as well as bearing capacity of soil. Everything we will discuss in respective chapters. Nice subject. 13th chapter, last chapter, very important chapter. Very important chapter. 2 mark fixed from this subject. 2 mark fixed from this topic. That is pre-stressed cement concrete. pre-stressed cement concrete. Very, very important. Very, very important. Every year they are asking pre-stressed from this chapter. From this topic, every year they are asking 2 mark fixed, free of cost. That also simple. Simple. No need to remember any formula. In my entire subject, no need to remember any formula. Just understand the concept enough. Just understand the concepts enough. Whatever I am saying, try to catch it 100% as much as possible. As much as possible. Enough. No need to refer in your home. Just whenever time comes, just refresh your brain. Enough. Just refresh your brain. What are the permissible stresses? What are the permissible stresses in different methods, different compounds? Enough. I have divided RCC into 13 chapters. I have divided entire subject into 13 chapters. 13 chapters. We will discuss everything one by one. In introduction topic, in this topic, we are going to learn so many things. That is, first of all, what is the meaning of cement concrete? What is the meaning of cement concrete? Second one, what are the material present in cement concrete? What are the materials required? What are the specifications? What are the specifications for cement concrete materials? Everything comes under introduction chapter only. Then, sir, characteristic compressive strength of concrete, nothing else FCK. The exact meaning, the actual meaning, we will discuss about it in this chapter only. Then, sir, target mean strength. Target mean strength of concrete, which is the first step for your mixed design concept. Mean target strength. 1 mark question they asked in your GATE exam. Why to miss it? Everything we will cover in this topic. Everything we will cover here itself in introduction chapter. And next parameter, likewise, so many parameters are there. Anyway, first take definition of cement concrete. First take down definition of cement concrete. Cement concrete is nothing but an artificial stone. Which is achieved by hardening of mixture of the materials like binding medium, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water in a pre-planned proportion. Proportion called cement concrete. Anyway, first take down. Cement concrete is an artificial stone. Cement concrete is an artificial stone. Or a product which is achieved by hardening of mixture of materials. Yes, class started. Now only. First statement, cement concrete, definition to cement concrete. Take down. Cement concrete is an artificial stone. It's an artificial stone product which is achieved by hardening of mixture of materials like binding medium. See, there are 2 types of binding mediums are there. One is lime, another one is cement. Since we are going to discuss everything about cement concrete, take down here. Binding medium is cement. Binding medium, cement. Binding medium, cement, fine aggregate, nothing but sand. Fine aggregate, nothing but sand. And next, coarse aggregate. Next one, coarse aggregate, nothing else, a blue metal. Coarse aggregate, nothing else, a blue metal. Coarse aggregate, nothing else, a blue metal. Take down. And water. And water. And water. Take down. Cement concrete is an artificial stone product which is achieved by hardening of mixture of materials, binding medium, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate in a planned manner.